Hey guys, it's Lynn. Made a video, and I'm super awkward in videos, so I made this as like a disclaimer, just to tell you that I'm pretty awkward, and you're probably gonna tell me that I should just stick to writing my blog, but I didn't, so yay, awkward video, here you go. Hey guys, it's Lynn. So I'm a member of a website called Influenster, and what it is you connect your social media, and if you are influential enough, they'll send you what they call Voxboxes, which are like free samples to review. So I got sent this Colgate SlimSoft box. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video for that right now, and I haven't opened it yet. Whoa. So I'm gonna open it for the first time. Also, I'm back and I'm blonde, and I got my lip pierced. So, all right, let's see what I have. This is cute. Comes with like some red tissue paper. I'm so awkward. Okay. So, it just comes with a little card with some information on that. And then comes with a toothbrush, which I'm really excited about because I don't know, for some reason, like the toothbrushes that I buy from Walmart, I feel like they get like old, like used really fast, and I have to keep buying new ones. And it might just be because I buy the cheap ones. So I'm pretty excited to have a new toothbrush. And then they also gave me Colgate Total Advanced Whitening toothpaste, which is great. Gotta love white teeth. Your pearly whites. And then I have some Colgate Advanced Pro Shield Peppermint Blast mouthwash. So, pretty excited for that. I'm gonna try them out today, and I will review them on my blog for you. If you haven't checked out my blog, it's breatheinspirationfashion.blogspot.com. Check it out, subscribe, leave me a comment. Tell me if any of these things are good, or if you've tried them, or whatever. Peace.